Thank you for all your support and happy holidays.
Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everyone.
Wishing your family peace, hope, and health and happiness during this holiday season.
Happy holidays. Have a great new year in 2021. Go Bills.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and here's to a great 2021.
I'd like to wish you a happy and healthy holiday season. Thank you for everything.
Wishing you a happy holidays from my family to yours.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
From our family to yours, happy holidays.
Stay safe and have a happy new year.
I think it's safe to say that 2020 isn't at all what we had expected. And that is why I'm so very grateful that we were able to reimagine what it could be and find some pretty spectacular silver linings. So thank you for all you do, and from our house to yours, have a happy holiday and a hopeful new year.
Hi, I'm John Schutzley, President of Tarkett Residential Flooring. I'd like to personally thank all of our customers, distributors, and employees for your tremendous support during a very challenging year. Happy holidays to everyone, and best wishes for a safe and successful new year. Thank you very much.